Welcome back. In this video, we're making Nashville hot popcorn chicken. For the spices, combine 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon each of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and chili powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a quick mix and set it off to the side. Into a large bowl, 3 chicken breasts that have been cut up into 1-inch cubes. Cover the chicken in some heavy cream because I did not have any buttermilk. Pour in 1 cup of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of pickle juice to give us that tang, and some salt and pepper. Add 1 cup of cornstarch to 2 cups of flour. In goes the chicken and coat all over in the flour. Fill a small pot 3/4 of the way up with frying oil. Once the oil reaches 350 degrees, add the chicken in small batches and fry for 6 to 7 minutes. Ladle some of the hot frying oil over your spices. Brush the sauce over both sides of the chicken. And there we have it, Nashville hot popcorn chicken. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.